Hello, my dear lovely viewers. Today, let's talk about a current trend in coaching as well as training industry. It doesn't matter, so not only for the training as well as coaching industry, but any industries too. In the past, the coaches relied on selling pre-recorded courses, but now that is not enough. What people really need is practical implementation and application of personal interactions, especially that changes brought by COVID-19 as well as interference of artificial intelligence. Accessing information is easy nowadays. If you just give a prompt, you will get the details. How to apply that knowledge and personal touch you bring to that scenario, that's what it is relevant. To stay relevant, you need to update yourself with these changes. If you didn't do this, you will also get outdated one day. For training needs, contact using the number given in description. Thank you all for tuning my channel. Hope you all loved today's content. Kumar, the hospitality trainer, signing off to bring more interesting contents on your screen. Until then, bye-bye.